Good afternoon everyone. I am Ardozia from BSc IT Batch 2 and today I am here for the board presentation and my topic is LRU. LRU stands for least recently used. In this page replacement algorithm, we replace the page which is least recently used in the past. So let's understand this with an example. Here the frame size is 4 and the reference string is given. As you can see there at the initial stage all the frame are empty. So if we call the page number 1, so there will be a page fault, and another one is page number 0, so it will also a page fault because it is not in the frame. Then page number 5, it is also not in the frame, so there will be also a page fault. Then page number 1, so it is in the frame, so there will be a page hit. Again page number 3, so it is not in the frame, so there will be a page fault. The another demand of page number 5, so it is in the frame, so there will be a page hit. And the another demand of page number 4, as you can see the page number 4 is not in the frame, so we will replace it by the LRU. So the least recently used is, as you can see, the least recently used is 0, so we will replace the 4 with 0, so there will be a page fault. Again the demand of page number 5, which is already in the frame, so there will be a page hit. Then the page number 2, which is not in the frame, so there will be a page fault, but we will replace it with the 3. As you can see the 3 is the least recently used, so we will replace it with the 3. There will be a page fault. 5, 1. The another demand of page number 1, it is in the frame, so there will be a page hit. Then page number 3, it is not in the frame, so we will replace it with the 4. There will be a page fault. Another page is 0, so 0 is not in the frame, so we will replace it with the 5, which is least recently used, so there will be a page fault. Then the total number of page fault is 8. And total number of page hit is 4. That's all from my side. Thank you.